makes you want to chase them and grab them in your mouth and bite their heads off, huh? I'm just kidding, bro. Yeah, chasing them is plenty.
You, but you are a bird.
Fine, I can be honest. I don't belong here. In fact, I never wanted to come here in the first place. And you know what? I hate samba.
Did you actually think we were gonna kiss?
Oh, stop!
Que você? Que você está fazendo?
Not cool, man. Not cool. Wait.
I'm trying to escape.
Okay, there's no place like home. There's no place like home. Oh, how I wish I was back in my own cage with my mirror and my swing and my little bell. Oh, how I miss my little bell.